Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a Who Am I guessing game in the A Friend of Mine project. So I've got my code up here for my friend, and in the other videos you saw me walk through this and make so that it shows the drums. Next, I'm going to create a little quiz. So after it explains their interests, it might not say who their name is, so you're going to try and guess who this person is. So we're going to say time for a quiz, and then we're going to actually ask the user a question. So to do that, we go to the sensing box and we say ask. Whoops. We can ask a question like, what's your name? Now, whenever we use this code, it says time for a quiz, and then it pops up this question box. So whatever somebody types in here, the person's name is, when we click on this answer, it shows us what the person typed. The person's name is, I think I pronounced that right. So we can actually use this block to check to see if an answer is correct. So check this out. So in Scratch, we can say, whoops, I keep dragging on the wrong spot. We can say something like, if the answer is correct, say something like, good job. Otherwise, we can say if the answer is not correct, then say something like, try again, or sorry, that's not correct. So let me show you how to do that. This is called a conditional. And a conditional will check to see the person's answer if it matches whatever we want for our answer to be. And then we're going to make it say something. So we're going to have it say two different things. One thing will be, good job if they got it right. Oops, not correct. I can't spell if they get it wrong. So let me run this code and show you how this works. It says time for a quiz, asks the person's name, and we type in our answer. It says, oops, not correct. But wait a minute, we actually don't know what the answer of this is. So we need to add in, under the operators, the actual answer for this. So we're going to use this one, the equal sign, and we put it inside of here. So what we're going to say is, if the answer equals Bob, maybe this person's name is Bob, I don't know, then we say good job. Otherwise, if somebody types in anything else other than Bob, then it will say, oops, not correct. So let's run this and find out. So first thing I'm going to check to see if Bob works. So I type in Bob, and it says, good job. Awesome. So this worked, and it didn't run this code because the answer was correct. Now I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to say, and it did not run good job. It ran oops, not correct. Awesome. So this conditional is working. So you could actually use many of these to ask about their different interests to kind of see if somebody was paying attention to your project. Like, what was my favorite sport? And then you could have them answer that. Or you could be like, what was my cousin's, uncle's, friend's, mother's best dog's name? I don't know. So you can ask all sorts of different questions, or you can even make it so that somebody tries to guess who the person is that is on your project without giving the name away at the very beginning. So use code like this and just simply connect it to your project once you've finished testing out your quiz to make sure it works nice and good. And then you can add in a guessing game in your A Friend of Mine project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.